welcome to day 21 of my embroidery journey. Today, I've worked on a simple yet elegant design featuring a series of connected diamond shapes. Each diamond represents precision, patience, and creativity at the core of every embroidery piece. I started with long, neat satin stitches in deep purple tones, creating a smooth and even texture. To add contrast and dimension, I used a raised stitch in a soft peach shade on the first diamond and giving it a bold and textured look. This design may look simple, but maintaining even tension and perfect alignment across each diamond and takes focus and care. With every stitch, I feel my hands growing steadier and my creativity blooming brighter. Embroidery teaches us that beauty lies in both structure and detail, and is a perfect reflection of that. Stay tuned for more designs as this journey continues to unfold, one stitch at a time.